Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your HONOR X5c Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the settings. So, open up the settings, unlock your phone and open up the settings. Now, after opening the settings, go to sounds and vibration. And here scroll a bit down until you see volume. Now here you guys will see the volume levels, every one of them, and you can just copy my settings. Those are good enough. What you guys can do next is clean the speaker grill with a soft brush to make sure that it's not filled with dust and that it's not blocking the connection. We have it right here, we can easily clean it. Now what else can we do? We can go over and disable Bluetooth to make sure our audio isn't rerouted. So go to Bluetooth here. Now make sure that it's gray and not blue, because when it's blue, that means it's turned on. So disable it by tapping on it. And now what you guys can do is restart your phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now click restart and tap to restart the phone again. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is unlock the phone and check your software update as a last resort. So go over to the settings, scroll down until you see system and updates, and tap on software update. It will check automatically if you have the latest version, and as you guys can see, I will have the latest version because I already checked it. But if you guys do not have the latest version of your software just like me, then I recommend you guys updating it, because you will get rid of any glitches that were in the previous versions. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.